This is Jordan Gray, Frank Davenport, Martin Barr. We're here sailing in Slovenia. We wanted to experience a European regatta circuit. It has been really quite nice. The hospitality has been outstanding. The race conditions were idyllic. We were most impressed, for example, with the race committee going to a black flag after one recall. Doesn't usually happen that way in the States. We take quite some long time after race start. So that was good. The amenities are outstanding, and we're chartering a boat, and that's a learning experience, as we found. We'll leave that subject go for a story another time, but we're very happy to be here. You guys are great. Food is terrific. We love Portoroz. The wine is excellent. Cabernet. Food is good. Women are beautiful. What else do sailors want? So everything's good. We'd like to come back maybe if we
a wild goose.
Yes.